If there's people who have regular jobs who are coming out in the rain, in the snow, spending their hard-earned money to buy tickets to come to your shows, you don't need this right here. I promise you, you already won.
I learned many great lessons from my father, not the least of which was that you can fail at what you don't want. So you might as well take a chance on doing what you love.
I need a phone with a calculator. Do you have one, or should we borrow one?
Yeah, I got a phone.
You got one? Can we? Here, don't even unlock it. It's okay.
Don't unlock it.
Don't unlock it. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know if this is going to work, but there it is. That's your phone, okay?
My ass. If you ever see me in a Rolls Royce, a private plane, a 6 or 7 star hotel, living my life to the fullest, don't hate on me. Don't get jealous of me, because I work my ass off to get it. Everything about my life and career, I've earned it. Ain't nobody gave me shit. Nobody handed me nothing. If you want it, go get it.